Hey, what's up? This is Mikey for Electrek, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Pedego Latch. Thanks for watching Electrek. Let us know how we're doing and subscribe with the bell icon so you don't miss any videos. A slight deviation from the colorful line of Pedego cruisers, they also have the Latch, a folding electric bike with a healthy amount of power, some interesting mechanical benefits, and one special aspect that makes it stand out from almost any other folding bike in the USA. Like a lot of electric folders, the Pedego Latch uses small wheels, flat handlebars, and a long seat post for that peculiar folding bike feel. The Avid BB7 disc brakes are good for the application. Not stellar, but they're not bad, not in the least. Aptly named the Latch, the folding aspect is pretty typical. Although compared to other folding electric bikes, the weight is on the heavy side, 46 pounds. Now, Pedego obviously isn't very shy about the weight, but that weight actually makes the bike handle pretty well mechanically. The bike is set for a top speed of 20 miles an hour, but given the additional weight, all of it really low on the center of gravity, the Latch actually handles pretty well, even at speeds of 25 miles an hour. Now, one standout feature is the Gates Carbon belt drive that feels absolutely amazing to pedal. The smooth engagement and the lack of maintenance is really one of the best parts about the bike. With this belt drive, Pedego is rocking a Nexus 3-speed internal hub that keeps you and your trunk nice and clean. If you put the seat all the way down and extend the handlebars all the way up, that will guide the rider's weight back and help them sit upright for maximum comfort. And that is the way that a Pedego should be, in all honesty. Electrically, the bike maintains that Pedego feel, using their long standard of a hub motor, a cadence-based pedal assist system, and in the USA at least, a throttle that lets all the electricity go. The rear-mounted battery pack slides in and out really easy, and it's actually drop-in compatible with the Pedego battery upgrade, and that's actually pretty neat. Having the battery way in the back is in contrast to the front hub motor, and if you're cruising upright, you'll actually need to shift your weight a little bit forward to help the motor gain traction on surface. So everything about the Latch that I've listed thus far, does it sound like a bike that's worth $2,785? Well, really, that's up to you. But if you're in the USA, consider this, that Pedego has a wide network of dealers across the entire country. Since a lot of folks are looking for a folding bike for the purpose of travel in an RV or a semi-truck, a plane, or a boat, it actually makes sense that getting a focused service wherever you happen to be would be a really great benefit. And Pedego actually has this, with their Pedego branded stores open in most every major city and some of the not so major cities as well. The operators of these stores know the Pedego bikes very, very well, since their entire operation is based on the limited lineup from Pedego. If you're traveling across the USA and a folding bike is in your sights, then I think the Pedego Latch is worth a second look. That's my 2 cents. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the later.